In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can look absolutely smashing on screen, feel great about yourself, and really enjoy the whole process of video making. Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh. This is Video Excellence Lab, and I create tons of content around how you can make videos, how you can edit, how you can look confident, speak confidently on camera. So if this kind of stuff interests you, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you hit on the notification bell, you will be updated on the latest videos I post. Okay, that's very important. So keep that going. Let me straight dive into how you can look absolutely phenomenal on screen. Okay, the first one is much before you shoot, you must take care of your grooming. Whatever that means to you. It could mean having a certain hairstyle, it could mean coloring your hair, it could mean for men maybe shaving, it could mean so many things. Maybe for some people it could be doing your nails, it could be doing a facial, it could just putting a certain eyeliner a certain way. Of course that comes under makeup, but when I say grooming, I want you to do things that will make you feel good about yourself and make you feel happy in your skin. So that is very crucial, and I don't think you should just overlook it as who will do it and be lazy about it. People who are on screen, most often you are comparing yourself with stars and celebrities. Trust me, they spend a lot of time grooming themselves to look a certain way. Even to have your skin moisturized is a part of your grooming, so that your skin looks its best glowy self on camera, right? Wouldn't you want that? So just take care of a few things. Hydrating yourself is a part of grooming that will really hydrate you, make your skin glow. Okay, so the first thing is grooming. The second one is closer home. Like the next step after grooming is, please ensure that you have your makeup game in place, whether you're a man or you're a woman. Okay, you should try out a few things much before you need to shoot, so that on the day of when you need to shoot, you know exactly what works for you. You're not struggling with a foundation tone. If you're a man, you should know what kind of powder will really mattify your face, so that you're not looking sweaty, shiny, or looking little off. A little compact powder helps men also to kind of even out your skin tone and look a little more refined. It is just for you to look your best, not for you to look like somebody else or to look made up on camera. If you want to look made up, that's fine too. But the point, what I'm trying to tell you about makeup is that let's enhance our looks. Very often for lights, certain amount of makeup really helps, because otherwise you look slightly low, you look like a little off with lights and stuff. So if you do use some makeup, it will definitely enhance your look. So practice that before, and then when you're on camera, you'll be comfortable. What I mean is, if you're not somebody who's used to wearing, say, red lipstick, and suddenly just on the camera day, the first time you've ever applied red lipstick, you're going to be so off most probably, because you're not used to it. It feels off, it feels too bright, it feels too loud probably. So do all of that, get comfortable in that. Even if you're doing a haircut, like I said, grooming, do a few days prior so you get used to that look, and then you feel your best on camera. Okay, that was the second one. The third one is that I want you to highlight your strengths. Most often we are always trying to cover up what we feel is not nice about us. It could be our clothes, it could be our sense, it could be our sense of style, it could be the way we accessorize ourselves or the way we talk. It could be anything. If you can just shift your focus and prioritize on what really makes you unique, makes you really shine, and then highlight that, you will really feel a lot better about yourself, because A, you'll stop beating yourself down. Secondly, because you are highlighting your strengths, you will only feel good about it. So for example, if you feel that you look better in, say, collared shirts or collared kurtis, please go ahead and wear it. If you feel you want to hide your double chin, I'm saying don't focus on your double chin. Okay, I'm saying maybe instead of focusing on the double chin, you can focus on the wonderful smile you may have, or the beautiful eyes you may have, and highlight your eyes. Maybe a certain color makes you feel good and looks great on you. So you use those things to make yourself your best version, instead of trying to hide what you feel doesn't work, because most often that's only in your head. Nobody else cares or knows about your double chin or anything else that you find a flaw, you look at as a flaw in yourself. Okay, now moving on, I want you to focus on what is it that you can do to feel good off camera, right before you get on camera, which means that right now in this frame you can't see my feet, right? But if a pedicure makes me feel relaxed, makes me feel good, makes me feel energized, then I should do a pedicure, even though if it's not being seen on screen. Maybe reading a certain passage from a book makes you feel motivated. Please do that before you get onto camera. Maybe talking to a friend of yours always puts you up in a great mood. Please ensure you have spoken to that friend before you get onto camera so that you feel really happy within yourself. Because trust me, it shows. The camera is very transparent. The camera can see through. And the camera is the eye of the audience, which can feel your energy, right? So please do things that you feel great about off camera, which will immediately translate onto camera as well. And the next one is that you may or may not be a meditator, or well, I am a meditator. I do breath practices as well as meditation. And if you are doing that, then please do that right before the shoot. If you don't do any of those things, choose to sing. Just sing for 5 minutes. You need not be an Asha Bhosle. Just sing your heart out. Just sing for your pleasure. Sing favorite songs you like, or listen to the music. More than listening to the music, I want you to activate your energies, which is why I'm asking you to sing. So you can play some music and sing along if you feel, or you can dance along, put a little spring to your step. Don't dance so heavily that you sweat it out. Just something light that keeps you going and makes you feel very upbeat. That energy will transfer straight onto screen. When you feel awesome about yourself, you are bound to look awesome on screen. It is not just about your facial features or you looking like Aishwarya Rai or any of the hunks. It is not about that. It is about what you feel about yourself. I am 100% sure you know of people who may not technically qualify to have great features or even be photogenic, but just the way they talk, their charm, the aura around them, the vibe they have makes you feel so, like you are so attentive when they're talking. You're so attracted to what is it that they're saying, right? To their content. So that is what I mean when, I'm trying to say how to look awesome, how to feel awesome, how to be confident on camera. Hey, I almost forgot. There is a downloadable PDF that I have shared with you in the description box that is going to really help you practice of how you can really get onto camera and speak really well. Okay, check that out. I hope this helps, and if you like this kind of content, do not forget to subscribe. I want to hear from you in the comments which of these aspects you relate to, what you would change in your video making game, what are the things you would like to work on, and I am very happy to know your journey. Okay, so keep sharing in your comments, and if you like this kind of stuff, I do have a very private Facebook group. It's also called Video Excellence Lab. Now, on that, I do share tools and techniques, and it's a small group because I am only interested if people are genuinely happy to make videos and interested in it. I will share the link below. You will have to answer a few questions for you to get into the group, and that will really help me to help you as well. Okay, so I'll see you in the next videos. Also comment with what other videos you'd like me to make. Take care.